How the hell are you, YouTube? It's me, T-Rail. I am finally picking up the Mudjug truck. Speaking of Mudjug, got one in my hand. I doing tactical tan Mudjug. Get you one at mudjug.com. Bam! The Mudjug truck. I'm coming to pick it up. There she is. Damn, she's dirty. I'm gonna have to wash the hell out of this truck, man. But picking her up at the Coolwood Tire Auto. Here she is. Let's see what happened. Let's see what they did to my drive shaft, man. Let's find out. Get up on here and let's see. They said they welded some shit up. That's new. I see that. Here it is. I'll lower it down back up. Yep. She back in there now, boy. She is back in there. Don't look that bad. So, get on up in the Mudjug truck. It's my mother. Huh? Yeah, I was just looking at it. Okay, bye. See you in a little bit. So, we're gonna get up in here. My name's T-Rail. The Mudjug truck is back. Oh, she was unlocked. Shit, damn boy, she been here for a minute. I got to clean all this shit out. Good gracious. Damn boy, this shit dirty, y'all. Uh-oh. Do I got a can of dip in here? God damn. Fishing string. Patriot Mudjug, Roadie Mudjug, Tactical Tan Mudjug, Rebel Flag Flask Mudjug. We in the Mudjug truck, son. Get you one. Hot damn. Damn, it's a mess in here. Nope. There's a little bit in there. Let me see. Damn. Oh, I got some in there. Got a little bit of grizzly in there. Yeah, damn, that's damn. Dip cans all over the damn place in here, man. Good gracious. Bottle of Curve. Damn. Well, hopefully this drive shaft does me pretty good. I gotta get used to driving this thing again. Y'all give me a second. Put me a dip ski in. Man, I'm glad to get my Mudjug truck back. Cross on the mirror as always. Thank you, Coolwood Tire Auto. Y'all did good. I hope. I'm pretty sure they did. I haven't drove yet, but like I said, I'm pretty sure they did. I hope so. Ain't had a dip in a minute, man. Oh, hell no. I got a dead battery, y'all. Damn it. Well, I gotta use the phone. Call my mother back. She got jump codes, y'all. This been T-Rail. Back in the Mudjug truck. Peace. See you on the next.